how to paste an image into a vector shape in Photoshop. Make sure you select the layer with that image, then go to Edit and down to Define Pattern. Now the pattern can only be less than 5,000 by 5,000, so it won't work if you've got a really huge document. So Define Pattern, then give it a name. Obviously you can see the image there, and click OK. Now you don't need this anymore, so you can go over to the layers, just deselect that and select the actual vector shape. This vector shape you can then select and move around, reposition it, but you can also go over here to the custom shape tool, select that. With that selected, you can go up here and you've got option here for fill. So click and then go for solid color, gradient, the one you want, patterns. So the last one, click that and you can see now you've got your pattern there. So just click it there. As soon as you've done that, you can scale it here. You can also change the angle. But what you can also do is go over here, back to the layers and double click. Double click that and that'll bring up the pattern fill. And you can see now you've got this move cursor. So you can reposition it. So you can just position it, say, like that, or maybe like that. Now you'll notice there's a cut there. Obviously the image design is only a certain size. So there will obviously be a duplication there, a repeat pattern. That's what a pattern is. So you can just move it around and say there. And once you're happy with it, you can click OK. You can also change the angle. So just change that, or the scale, so you can resize it if you want, maybe make it slightly bigger, and again reposition it and click OK. And there it is, your image stored away in a vector shape. And now what you do, you can move the shape around and reposition this and modify it with all kinds of effects. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Please add a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Always adding new videos all the time for Photoshop, as well as Affinity Photo and many others. Bye.